Hi guys, welcome to the Explicit English channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the prefixes. A prefix is a mix of letters that is written at the beginning of a word. Each prefix changes the word's meaning. Each prefix's meaning must be memorized. So let's look at this table that we have here in front of us. The middle column shows our prefixes. We have 10 different prefixes here we use in the English language. On our left, we have the meaning of each prefix that is shown in this middle column. And on our right, we have an example of each. So the prefix pre means before, okay? And in our example here, preview, it just means that you want to see something beforehand. And you don't want to see the whole thing. You just want to see a part of it. The prefix over, it means too much. So when we say overdue, that means that there was a deadline for something, and then you have passed over your deadline and it's become overdue. The prefix miss usually refers to something that is done in the wrong way or bad way. So here we have a word misprint. That means it hasn't come out the way you wanted it. Okay, it came out the wrong way. The prefix extra means beyond. Okay, so extraterritorial means beyond territory. Prefix re means again, to do something again. So here we have the word recall. So can you recall the last book you've read? The prefix co means together. So in this example we have co-author means there was the main author of something and there was a partner. Anti means against. So antisocial refers to a person that doesn't have good social skills. Prefix pro means forward. So you want to do something. Pro-war means you're open to an idea, to have a war. Mid refers to the middle, so midway. And the prefix an means not, opposite. Happy, and the opposite is when you're not happy, you're unhappy. So this is the list of 10 very frequent prefixes in the English language. If you guys found this information useful, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget to check out other videos here at the Explicit English channel. Thanks for watching.